Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this crossword in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So just create a new project in any size, but I'm using this Instagram post. And scrolling down to the apps and looking for this crossword AI. This one. And you can see it already have a same crossword, but here we can describe a theme or topic. So I would like to see is it working or not, and just click. As you can see, wow, oh, that's really nice. Here we can have the size and style, but actually I cannot do any changes because I'm not upgraded to the Pro. But without this Pro feature is already a very nice crossword. So add to design, and as you can see, I have this cheat sheet or a answer, so we can call. So I can move to here, so I can delete, can move down the other also, and increasing the size like this. Nope, open it. As you can see, I created a very nice crossword, and here are the answers. As you can see, the crossword is as always inside. I think at least this is the second one what I created, so I always have this crossword. Guessing this because I'm not a pro user. It's 5, yeah, okay, it's also 5. But other than it's really nice. That's pretty cool. I like it. Very easy to use. And if you really want to use it a bit more professional, you can check the Pro. Let me see. I need to open a. Okay, already directing us to the Stripe. Let me see. €5. €5 per year. So that's actually it's nothing. So we can do it. Upgrade to Pro if needed. And yeah, you can see upgrade to Crossword Creator Pro to unlock advanced customization options, including size, control, styling, and AI word generation. So it's a really cool feature. So that's worth to try actually. Sorry, I don't want to just think about, yeah, €5 per year. It's nothing if you would like to create more and more of this, like to your website or to Instagram or somewhere. That's really not a huge amount of money, but I don't want to talk about anything about it more because it's already, you can see how it works, what can you do, and how much is it cost if you would like to do it in a pro version. So now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to turn on the bell for the notifications. And please let some comment in the comment section, first of all, to feed the algorithm, let me reach more and more people with my tutorials. And of course, if you have any questions, struggling anything on the Canva, just let me know and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description in this video where you can find the links for my Instagram, TikTok and Facebook pages, where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts listed in a Facebook page, and of course in Instagram and TikTok pages you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. And as I already mentioned, you can find the links in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.